30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Triumph in Waukesha, Wisconsin, with the 2023 Speed Twin. This is 99 horsepower, 98, something like that, give or take. 83 foot-pounds of torque, and weighing about 476 pounds, wet and ready to ride. This bike should be a little exhilarating, to be honest. And I'm kind of looking forward to getting out on the road and seeing how well she handles. Throwing a leg. Balls in my feet. Kick it into gear. And off we go. Yeah, riding position on this is a little bit more aggressive on the Speed Twin. It's not overly aggressive, it's just a little bit more aggressive. The seat is still really plush. Really plush. It's still got that classic style. No quick shifter on this bike, which is fine because it doesn't need that. Throws you back with that torque. Very small tank. I wish this had the pad on it. This is a fun bike. I'm in road mode, and so as we have learned today, road mode is the mode because the other mode is rain. Did not get a price figure on this. That'll be up in the screen. This does not have cruise, where others do. So there's that. I wish I had cruise. That would be one thing that I wish this bike did have. I'm just trying to kind of move around a little bit. This is got that flat seat, so you do have a lot of movement, a lot of position to move around on this bike. It's very, very comfortable. Very stable too. This bike is approaching that category of the perfect horsepower rating for the street, and I honestly believe that the perfect street horsepower rating is 100 to 120 miles, 100 to 120. Anywhere in there, you're in good standing. This is 97, 98, something like that, or 98.6, I believe, is the listed. So it's right there. This is a good bike. This is a good platform. I like this better than the T120. I really didn't like the Bobber. The Speedmaster was pretty good. But all in all, I like this bike a lot, actually. It's got a really nice feel to it. Should have downshifted there. Should have downshifted there. One day I hope that's me and my wife. keeping me from walking into traffic. And I'll just be smiling like that old gentleman was. Ah, just living life. Living life. And getting to the Speed Twin, I mean, yeah, this is a bike you just kind of live life. You know, you want that retro look, but you also want a little bit more power. Even for a classic look, it still moves, and it still, you know, it leans in real good. This is a good bike. This really is. This is a good bike. I looked at this bike. I thought it was a beautiful motorcycle. I didn't think it was going to ride this way. I mean, I kind of was expecting a little bit less on the overall get up and go. We're going to get it. Yeah, it's got good power, good grunt, good down low. I mean, it just pulls and punches at you. It's really good. Adjustable suspension might be nice, but again, that's a luxury on, you know, a bike like this. I mean, I've been riding on these bumpy roads all day, and some of the bikes have had adjustable, some of them haven't. Fourth gear grunt just kind of pulls and goes. And honestly, just about every Triumph seat other than the bobber that I sat on was super comfortable. Like, so comfortable that I don't know why all stock seats aren't like that. You know, it's weird, because if Triumph can make their seats as comfortable as they do, there should be no reason that every manufacturer can't make a seat that's that comfortable. And it's on not just the most expensive bikes either. It's on every platform that I've ridden, and I've ridden a lot of them. If me telling you I've ridden 20 motorcycles today, and most of them have been Triumphs, these are the best seats I've sat on this year in the motorcycle industry. Aside from the CVO Harley Davidson Road Glide 120th Anniversary Edition, which was $52,000. That seat was the most comfortable seat I've ever sat on in my life. But, you know, again, that's $52,000. If I went to a seat guy and said, look, I'll give you $2,000 to build me the most comfortable seat, I'm pretty sure it can be done for any bike ever. But, you know, from the factory, these Triumph seats are really good. Right there. Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 Triumph Speed Twin. It's got a good sound, looks good. Yeah, it's a very nice platform and a really good time to ride. As always, everybody, stay safe and enjoy the ride.